Hey Mike, here's a video I promised you, giving you a little walk around underneath this vehicle. I'm hoping a picture does 1,000 words. So take a look, let me know what you think. Yeah, rust, surprise, surprise, but concerning the age and everything else, there really isn't a lot of rust. But it's not what I think, it's what you think. If you look from way underneath here, I tried to take a couple pictures. I'm happy to send them to you. They just really don't turn out that well. I think this video is going to show you a little bit more. Alright Mike, take a look, let me know what you think. If you need something else I will. I'm going to make another video once this comes down off the hoist to show you the body, which you'll find again, like we've talked a lot, no rust there. Let me know what you think though.